Innovation and collaboration during this time of crisis is helping first responders stay safe throughout the coronavirus pandemic.
I'm a part of some 3D printing groups online, and people have been doing this all over the world with different designs, and it was a great idea, and we had the resources, so why not?
Tim Bowyer, a facilitator at the TCU Innovation Lab at John Young Middle School, is using his resources for good.
So I took a couple of different samples over to St. Joe, one of which is what they're currently using now. I showed them. They liked both. One is a simpler design, which takes less time on the printer. The other was a little more complex, but a little more bulky. So they preferred the simpler one.
Tim Bowyer then delivered a supply of face shields to the Mishawaka Fire Department, including Captain Jim Cocquyt.
You know, as I told Tim, everybody you see on TV is wearing these, and we didn't have them. And I know from talking to like Chief Thomas and our other management guys around here, every day our protocol's changing with our masks that we use when we wear them. This week we added booties. We'll be adding something to cover our heads soon enough. Man, this helps us a lot. Very simple design. I never thought something like this would be, you know, as easy as it is, but supply is still going to be an issue. I understand that these are becoming more and more difficult to find.
These simple 3D printed face shields provide another layer of protection on top of the N95 masks. What do these face shields do? Dr. Genevieve Lankowicz from St. Joe Regional Medical Center explains why the shields are so important.
In addition, if they're wearing their face shield over the N95 is protected from any secretions that a patient would expose them to with a cough or a sneeze. Being under the face shield, the healthcare provider's eyes, face, and face mask respirator are all protected against that dangerous spray.
This will give us that added layer of protection where it's going to protect our whole face, and this in combination with some type of hat or something will give us full coverage.
Thanks to this innovation, Tim and School City of Mishawaka are able to help essential workers on the front line.
We've given St. Joe Hospital about 100, give or take a couple there, and we just gave the firefighters 100 face shields. It was very cool. It's a good feeling. They're on the front lines. They're doing all the hard work, so they're supporting everyone in the community, so it's nice to give them a little support.
It's amazing. It's an outstanding effort by Tim, and just the idea itself is incredible. And thank you, Tim. Thank you, School City of Mishawaka. This is a great asset and benefit to what we're doing.
Matt Rendell, Mishawaka Network.